Hello guys, this is Ethan from JingleMining, and today we're going to talk about something really important. A complete guide to cold wallets and an Electrum tutorial. And in the world of cryptocurrency, there's a well-known saying, not your keys, not your coins. So that means if you don't have your private keys, your cryptocurrency isn't really yours. This might sound scary, right? But it highlights the most important parts of digital currency safety. You need to control your private keys to truly own your assets. Let's start by discussing different types of wallets. So the apps on your phone or your exchange accounts are known as hot wallets, and they are great for quick transactions and trading, but they have a big downside. They are less secure. Since they are always online, they are vulnerable to hackers. And if an exchange gets hacked, your funds could vanish. So what about a cold wallet? A cold wallet keeps your private keys offline, making them almost impossible to hack. And think of it like putting your Bitcoin in a safe. So even if your computer gets hacked or the internet goes down, your money stays safe. There are three main types of cold wallets. The first is hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. So they use a secure chip to store private keys. Support multiple currencies and are pretty easy to use, though they can be really expensive. And the second is a paper wallet. So you print your private key and address on paper. It's completely offline, so it's safe from online attacks. However, it's not convenient for frequent use. And if the paper is lost or damaged, your funds are gone. And the third type is a software cold wallet, like Electrum or Bitcoin Core in offline mode. And these can generate and sign transactions on an offline computer, and offering high security with flexibility. And each method has its good and bad points. Hardware wallets offer the best security but are a bit more complex. And paper wallets are the most offline but not convenient. And software cold wallets are good for those comfortable with technology or managing a small account of assets. So which one you choose depends on how much you have, how often you transact, and your tech skills. And now let's focus on software cold wallets, especially Electrum. It's a lightweight Bitcoin wallet that supports cold wallet mode, known for high security and flexibility. Electrum helps you generate Bitcoin addresses, sign transactions, and works well in hardware wallets. And it also supports things like multi-signature and offline transactions. Electrum uses a type of wallet technology called hierarchical deterministic, which is HD, so meaning you can easily manage multiple addresses, each working separately to protect your privacy and to organize your funds. And let's get hands-on with the Electrum. So we will guide you to step by step to make sure everyone can follow along easily. So step 1, download and install. So go to Electrum's official site and select your system version, Windows, Mac, or something else, right? So once you've downloaded, so make sure to check the signature to ensure the software hasn't been tampered with. For installations, Windows user double-check the .exe file and follow the prompts. So Mac users drag the app into the applications folder. Step 2, create a wallet. Start Electrum and select create a new wallet. And for most people, the standard wallet is enough. If you want extra security, just choose this multi-signature wallet, which needs multiple private keys. Pairing with Ledger or Trezor gives even more security, and the system will generate a seed phrase, usually 12 or 24 words long, your only method to recover your wallet. So keep it safe and set a strong password to protect your wallet in case someone tries to steal your files, right? And step 3, offline mode and cold wallet setup. You can create your wallet on a completely offline computer, so your private key never touches the internet. Sign your transactions offline, then use a USB or QR code to transfer to an online device to send. And this is crucial for keeping your cold wallet safe. So missing offline options could lead your keys being stolen, so just take care. And creating Bitcoin addresses and receiving funds in Electrum is simple. Just click the Receive tab to get a new address, and clicking New Address lets you create multiple addresses for separating your funds. Copy the address to receive Bitcoin. And for safety, use a new address each time. It gives extra security and privacy. Avoid using the same address over and over again. So to stay safe, just start small with Bitcoin transfer for testing, and choose like 0.0001 BTC or less, and send it to your Electrum address. And once it's confirmed in the blockchain, ensure the transaction is successful, and get familiar with the fees and process, and handle large amounts only after this test. Never move all your Bitcoin at once. This step is crucial, so don't skip it. And here are some common issues people face. If you don't receive Bitcoin, check your network connection and blockchain synchronization, and confirm the sender's address. So if you lose your seed phrase, your wallet cannot recover, and funds are lost forever. Always back up your seed phrase offline. For unconfirmed transaction, increase your fee to move it up in priority. So if you're signed offline, there's no risk in transferring the signed file or QR code after. And now let's share some practical tips. Keep your seed phrase offline forever. Do not screenshot or store it online. In cold wallets mode, make sure all transactions are signed offline. Always run small tests when generating new address or wallets. Pair hardware wallets with Electrum to increase your security. I'll share a story. A friend of mine tried using Electrum for the first time and poured all his Bitcoin into it. His computer got a virus and his key was stolen, causing huge loss. But if he'd done the small test transactions and gradually learned the ropes, he could avoid this. So another tip, if you have multiple addresses, separate them by purpose. Use one address for salary deposits, another for long-term investments. This is not only keeps your funds safer, but also makes it easy to track and manage your assets. And cold wallets are essential tools for keeping crypto assets safe. Hardware, paper, and software cold wallets each have their own unique features, but they all aim to protect your private keys. Electrum finds a good balance between being easy to use and being secure. With correct installation, seed phrase backup, address generation, small tests, and offline signing, even beginners can manage Bitcoin or crypto securely. So remember the saying, not your keys, nor not your coins. Controlling your private keys means you truly own your wealth. Okay, so that's it for the video today. I hope everyone can manage their crypto securely. So free from hackers and make each transaction with confidence. And I'm Ethan from JingleMining, and I'll see you next time.